Using Photoshop Mix for Surrealism. You'll need to open the app. Once you open the app, search for your image. It might be in your drive or on the iPad. Get your first image, select that. It comes in automatically as one layer. Then go select your second image. Your second image will pop in as a second layer. Adjust the size. You can always adjust it later. I flipped my image because I wanted the woman looking in. The next thing is to select cutout at the bottom. It looks like scissors. Once you've selected that, there's different ways to make your selections. I chose to use just a basic brush with a little bit of refinement to the edges. Whatever you paint in, you're going to keep. So as you can see, once you start applying the brush to the image, you can start to select the part that you would like to keep. This is exactly the opposite of how it works in Buzzart, another app for creating montage. Basically, you make your selection, and then if you've made any mistakes, there is a subtract, and that allows you to take things out. It's actually easier to do this than using Photoshop on the desktop app. It's a very good refined edge that you get extremely quickly. Once you've done that, again, you can refine the edge, and then what I chose to do was just take a little bit out of the sculpture itself to fade her into the image. So you want to think about how the two images interact. But essentially, you've got two layered images and you're figuring out how they're going to interact. As you're working on this, you're not distracted by the layer below, which is also a very nice feature. And there's a lot of additions or adjustments you can make to the brushes, so that's really nice too. And so here I took a little bit out of the corner, and I basically got really happy with the image because I thought it out before I put these two things together. There's a few things going on in this image that I'm not going to explain, but there are three things that I'm kind of referencing here in this image. Then it's very easy to save. I'd like you to save to your drive so that you can go back to your Chromebooks and copy this into your digital portfolio. It was very easy to do, and I think you're going to really enjoy it, class. So have fun making surrealism.